This is my backyard. Over here, there's raspberry. That's a mango, young mango tree. There's some thyme planted underneath it. Back there in the corner, there's a green apple. This huge thing right here that's almost touching the ground is my plum. That's a red apple. Bee houses. That little thing is that's not a pear. It's a blood orange. That's also blood orange. That's a pear. Got lemon and mandarins. And then over there I have my gazebo, which I use for the stuff that likes shadier places. And then I have a planter bed that goes all the way down. And over there I have an avocado tree that just dropped all its leaves and started getting new ones.